Most drivers buy the wrong brake pads. And they don't realize it until the steering wheel starts shaking, the brakes start screaming, or the stopping distance suddenly gets terrifying in traffic. And trust me, cheap brake pads fail exactly when you need them most. I've tested these on daily commuters, highway runs, emergency stops, and even long downhill drives where weak pads completely fall apart. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best brake pads for smooth stopping, the ones actually worth your money before you waste it on junk. And if you've ever bought brake pads that dusted up your wheels in 2 weeks or started squealing after one road trip, hit subscribe. We test this stuff the way real drivers actually use it. Also, updated prices and best deals are linked below, and if you want help choosing the right pads for your vehicle, drop your car model in the comments. Starting off at number 5, the TRQ front and rear ceramic brake pad set. Right away, these feel way more solid than most budget ceramic pads. The backing plates are sturdy, the finish is clean, and the kit usually includes hardware that actually fits correctly without fighting you during install. That matters more than people think. These are ceramic pads, so you get quieter braking and noticeably less dust compared to cheap semi-metallic pads that coat your wheels after a week. And the bite feels surprisingly balanced. Not overly aggressive. Not mushy either. Now here's where these surprised me. In real-world driving, especially city traffic, they stay smooth and predictable even after repeated stops. A lot of cheaper ceramic pads start feeling inconsistent once they heat up. These didn't. They're not performance racing pads obviously, but for daily driving, commuting, family SUVs, or mid-size sedans, they honestly feel dependable. The only downside is they may not have the strongest initial bite if you're used to super aggressive premium pads. But for comfort and quiet driving? Solid choice. But this next kit gives you a lot more hardware for the money. At number 4, the SCITOO 8-piece brake pad set. This is one of those kits that immediately feels built for someone trying to refresh an entire braking setup without spending dealership money. The ceramic material keeps things quieter, and the included components make installation easier if you're tackling the job yourself in the garage. The pads themselves have decent weight to them too. They don't feel thin or cheaply pressed together like those no-name online kits that wear out in 6 months. In actual testing, these handled stop-and-go traffic better than I expected. Especially during hotter afternoon driving where weaker pads usually start fading. And this is what most buyers don't realize: consistent braking confidence matters way more than ultra-aggressive stopping power for daily use. These stay controlled, predictable, comfortable. The drawback? Under very heavy braking, especially on larger vehicles, you can feel they're more tuned for comfort than outright performance. Still, for the price, this kit punches above its weight. Now this is where things start getting serious. At number 3, the BOSCH BC1212 QuietCast Premium Ceramic Disc Brake Pad Set. BOSCH has been around forever in the automotive world, and honestly, you can feel the engineering difference here almost immediately. The first thing I noticed was how refined the braking feels. The QuietCast line uses advanced shims and insulation layers that dramatically reduce vibration and noise. And unlike cheap pads that feel grabby or uneven, these engage incredibly smoothly. Almost luxury car smooth. After testing these on highway drives and emergency braking situations, the consistency stood out the most. No weird vibrations. No squealing after heat cycles. And very little brake dust. Seriously. This shocked me. Even after weeks of driving, the wheels stayed noticeably cleaner compared to cheaper ceramic pads. These are ideal for drivers who care about comfort, quietness, and long-term reliability. The only catch is the price is slightly higher than the lower-ranked options. But honestly, once you feel the difference, you understand where the money went. But the next option fixes one of the biggest complaints people have with premium pads: value. At number 2, the ECCPP 8-piece ceramic disc brake kit. This kit feels like it was designed for drivers who want maximum coverage and long-term value without compromising too much on quality. You're getting a complete setup that feels durable right out of the box. The ceramic compound keeps braking quieter while reducing wear on the rotors, and the included hardware makes the install process smoother than expected. Here's what impressed me most. Heat management. During repeated braking tests, these held their stopping performance surprisingly well. A lot of cheaper pads start fading once temperatures rise. These stayed controlled. Especially during downhill driving and heavier SUV use. That matters more than people think because brake fade can get dangerous fast. The downside? They may produce slightly more dust than the Bosch set. But considering the overall stopping performance and value here, most drivers will never complain. And finally, number 1. The Bendix Premium SBC 1210 ceramic front brake pads. These are the ones I kept coming back to. And after weeks of testing, they earned the top spot for one simple reason: confidence. The moment you hit the brakes, the response feels planted, controlled, and incredibly smooth. Bendix nailed the balance between strong stopping power and everyday comfort. The ceramic formula keeps noise low, while the build quality feels genuinely premium. No cheap edges. No flimsy backing plates. Everything about these feels engineered properly. In real-world driving, these performed like a much more expensive setup. Highway braking felt stable. Emergency stops stayed straight and predictable. Even after repeated hard braking, they maintained their feel without getting noisy or inconsistent. And this is where cheap brake pads usually fail badly. They overheat, glaze up, or start squealing after a few months. These didn't. They just kept working. The only minor drawback is that premium quality does come at a slightly higher price, but brakes are one area where cutting corners can cost you way more later. So here's the bottom line. If you're on a tighter budget and just want reliable daily driver performance, the TRQ set is a solid entry point. The SCITOO kit gives you excellent value for a more complete refresh. Bosch is perfect for drivers who want ultra-smooth, quiet braking with premium refinement. ECCPP delivers impressive stopping performance for the money, especially on heavier vehicles. But overall, the Bendix premium pads gave me the best mix of reliability, smooth stopping power, comfort, and long-term confidence. And honestly, choosing the right brake pads is not just about performance. It's about safety. It's about avoiding that panic moment when traffic suddenly stops and your brakes don't respond the way you expected. That's why testing matters. If this video helped you narrow down your choice, hit subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews and check the links below for updated prices and deals on all these brake pads. And if you've tested any of these yourself or you're trying to choose the right set for your vehicle, drop a comment below. I read them all. Drive safe. And don't cheap out on the parts that stop the car.